आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So the question we have is the incorrect expression among the following is, okay, so we are given with 4 different expressions and we have to find out from which of the following is the incorrect one. Okay, so for that let us discuss this one by one. Okay, so the first one that we have is delta G for system and divided by delta S total, it is equals to minus T. Okay, so if we look for a system, okay, let us consider first statement whether it's true or false. Okay, we know that for a system total entropy change, that is delta S total, it is total entropy change. Okay, so for a system total entropy change is this, and the value of delta H for total for the system, okay, it is equals to 0, and we know that according to Gibbs equation, delta H is equals to delta G plus T delta S. From here we get Gibbs delta G, it is equals to delta H minus T delta S. Okay, so for a system the value of this delta H, okay, it is equals to 0, so that means this delta G is equals to minus T delta S, and from here we get delta G for system, it is further divided by delta S entropy change for system, it is equals to minus T. So from here we can consider that this first statement is true, okay, or we can say that correct. Now the next one that we have is, for an isothermal process, work done in reversible, it is equals to minus nRT log of final volume divided by initial volume. Okay, so if we consider isothermal reversible process, okay, isothermal reversible process, okay, so in that case we know that total energy, that is delta E, okay, it is equals to 0, and from first law of thermodynamics we know that delta E, okay, it is equals to Q plus W. Okay, so from here this delta E, it is equals to 0. Okay, so that means work done in reversible process, it is equals to minus Q. Okay, so this is considered as, this is 0, so that means from here work done is equals to minus Q. Okay, so we have to find out in work done reversal, so it is equals to minus Q, which is further equals to minus, okay, P dV. Okay, and it is from initial to final. Okay, so from here we comes to a conclusion that is equals to work done in reversible process, okay, it is equals to minus nRT log of final divided by initial. So from here we can say that the second option, okay, it is also true. Okay, now the next one, that is log of K, it is equals to delta H naught minus T delta S naught divided by RT. Okay, so if we look into that statement, from where it comes, okay, we know that delta G naught is equals to delta H naught minus T delta S naught. Okay, and we also know that delta G naught, okay, it is equals to minus RT log of K. So from here this log of K comes out as delta G naught further divided by RT. Okay, and here we have a negative sign. So this log of K, okay, it is equals to delta H naught minus T delta S naught, okay, further divided by RT, because this here delta G naught is equals to this. Okay, so that's why this is equals to this statement. Okay, so if we look into the third one, that is delta H naught minus T delta S naught. Okay, so here we have this negative sign also. Okay, so when it comes outside, this become positive. So this statement and this statement, these both are different, so that's why this statement is false. Okay, and according to this question, this option is correct. Now if we look at the last, that is k is equals to e raised to the power minus delta G naught divided by RT. Okay, so if we discuss this one also, we know that standard free energy, that is delta G naught, okay, it is related to equilibrium constant as discussed this one. Okay, delta G naught, it is equals to minus RT log of K. So from here, this log of K, it comes out as minus delta G naught divided by RT. Okay, and if we cancel this log, then this K equals to e raised to the power minus delta G naught divided by RT. Okay, so if we look into this statement and the fourth statement, these both are same. That means this option is also true. So the correct option we have is option number C, which is an incorrect statement, and this is the solution to this question.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।